Standard 8. Welcome back. Factorization. This is our lecture number 5. Exercise 6.4. In that question 6, 7 and 8 we are going to do. So sixth one. 4x square minus 11x plus 6 upon 16x square minus 9. This question we have to solve. What is the question? Simplify. So first of all I will factorize this. See here I am doing it. 4x square minus 11x plus 6. Here it is 4 and here it is 6. So 6 into 4, that is equal to 24. What I have to say? Find the factors of 24 such that their addition is minus 11. So 24 is equal to 12 into 2. Their subtraction, their addition, here it is addition. Find the factors of 24 such that their addition is minus 11. There, this 12 into 2, the addition will be 14. This won't do because 12 plus 2 will be 14. No. So 24 is equal to, then 8 3 is 24, that is also there. 8 plus 3 is 11. So my work is what? Minus 8x. This minus 3x. This is the addition because both of them have the same sign. So this is equal to minus 11x. So for this, I will factorize this. So this, how I will do is, that is equal to 4x square. Then first factor is minus 8x. The second factor is minus 3x. And plus 6. I will make the groups of this and now this. Now the denominator. This is 4x bracket square minus this is 3 square. So that is equal to. Now this. What is common in this? First of all in the number, this is 4. This is 4 into 2. 4 to the 8. That means 4 is common. Another x here is also there. Here is also there. So x is common. So 4 is taken. 1x is taken. So x will remain. Minus. Now this x is taken. Now this 8 means 4 into 2. So 4 is taken means 2 will remain. Minus. Now this is 3 into 2. So 3 will be remaining. 3 will be common. So 3 is taken common. X will remain here. Minus is taken. So this will become minus. 3 to the 6. Taking the common means divide. Upon. This is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a minus b, a plus b means 4x minus 3 into another bracket 4x plus 3. Here I will give the reason. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into another bracket a plus b. So that is equal to. Now this x minus 2 is common. So x minus 2 is common. So what is remaining? This 4x minus 3. 4x minus 3 is remaining. That is taken in another bracket. Now this I will write 4x minus 3 into another bracket 4x plus 3. Now what is cancelling? This is cancelling. So the answer is x minus 2 upon 4x plus 3. So this is the simplified answer. Hope that you have understood. Now I will take the next question, that is the seventh one. So the seventh is a cube minus 27 upon 5a square minus 16a plus 3 divided by a square plus 3a plus 9 upon 25a square plus minus 1. This is the question. So what is the meaning of divided by? First of all, I will do that. So that is equal to a cube minus this is 3 cubes upon. So okay, in the first step I will keep as it is. Upon 5a square minus 16a plus 3. Divided by means it will be 25a square will go up and this will come down, a square plus 3a plus 9. Okay. Now this is a cube minus b cube format. See it, a cube minus this is the cube of 3, a cube minus 3 cube upon. For this I will consider this separately. 5a square minus 16a plus 3. Now see this, 3 into 5 is 15. Find the factor of 15 such that the addition is minus 16. Addition means same sign. So 15 is equal to 15 into 1. Isn't it? So this I will write as 5a square. Now addition I want minus. So minus 15 minus 1 is equal to minus 16. So minus 15a, here I will take 5a square minus 15a minus 1a plus 3. This way I will write. The same thing I am going to do here. 5a square minus 15a plus minus 1a plus 3 into. This is 5a bracket square minus 1 square upon. For this also find the factors of 9 such that the addition is. Let us check, it is not possible but we will see. A square plus 3a plus 9. Find the factor of 9 such that the addition is 3. It is not possible at all. 9 factors are 9 into 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Or 9 factor is 3 into 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is not possible at all. So I will not do anything. So a square plus 3a plus 9. So that is equal to. Now a cube minus b cube factors. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. What is this a cube? A minus b is 3. Then a square plus ab plus a into b means plus 3a plus b square. B square means 3 square is 9. This is all about this. So this O. Now about this, what is common? What is common? Here I forgot to write minus 1a plus 3 this way. What is common? 5, because this is 5 into 3. A is also common. So here remains a minus 5 3s are 15. Now here I will take minus 1 common. So this will sign will change, a minus 3 into. Now this a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b means 5a minus 1 into another bracket 5a plus 1 upon. This just now we have seen that this is not factorial. Factors are not possible. So 3a plus 9 as it is. Put the bracket to it. So that is equal. So this is a minus 3. This is a square plus 3a plus 9 upon. This will be a minus 3 is common here and remains 5a minus 1 into. This is 5a minus 1 into another bracket 5a plus 1 upon this is a square plus 3a plus 9. Now everywhere here it is into, here it is into, here into, everywhere into. Now you can cancel. Okay. So this and this had got cancelled. 5a minus 1, 5a minus 1 has got cancelled. A minus 3, A minus 3 has got cancelled. And so what is remaining is that is equal to 5a plus 1, and this is the simplification. So hope that you have understood this. Now I am taking the last question, that is the 8th one. So it is 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2x plus x square upon 1 minus x cube into 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x. This question, there is slight change we need to do. This square term x square minus 2x plus 1, this way I will write. This 1 cube minus x cube into, this will be 1 plus x square, or you can change the sequence, that is up to you, and 1 plus x. So what we have to do is, we have to factorize this. Find the factors of 1 such that their addition is minus 2. 1 1 are 1. So this will be x square minus 1x minus 1x plus 1. Factors of 1 are 1 into 1 upon, this is a cube minus b cube. A minus b means 1 minus x into another bracket, a square means 1 square is 1 plus ab means 1 into x is x plus b square means plus x square into, this is 1 plus x square. Put the bracket. This is 1 plus x. So that is equal to. Now what is common in these two and in these two, that we have to take. X is common, remains here x minus 1. Here minus 1 is common. So this will be x minus 1 upon 1 minus x, and this will be 1 plus x square into, this is 1 plus, I will change the pen, there is no time to fill the ink now. So 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x. So still we cannot cancel because here it is minus, everywhere there should be into sign. So this I will write as x minus 1 is common into another bracket x minus 1 and below 1 minus x into 1 plus x square into, this I will be writing 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x. Now whatever you can cancel, this and this is cancelled because everywhere this is into sign. So now I have to proceed further. So I will drop this, make the place over here to write. So see here, this is x minus 1 and this is 1 minus x. I can change this. How I can change, I will tell you. So that is equal to, if I take this minus common, minus out, then this will become minus x plus 1. Check it. If the minus sign is taken out, these signs are changing. And this will remain as it is, into x minus 1. Because I have not taken the sign from this. Hope that you have understood this. Upon 1 minus x. So this is equal to, now this is minus x plus 1 and this is also minus x plus 1. So this and this is going to get cancelled. So or otherwise you can write minus. This I will write as 1 minus x. This will be x minus 1 and upon 1 minus x. And this also I will take here. 1 plus x. This along with this. X minus 1, that is converted to 1. Now this has got cancelled. So this is equal to minus of x minus 1 upon 1 plus x. This sign I will change now. This will be minus x. This will be plus 1 upon 1 plus x. That is nothing but 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. This will be the final answer of this question. So hope that you have understood that this lesson is over. In the next video we will start the new lesson, and that is the variation. So right now you prepare this properly. So I'll end this video here. Good night.